Welcome to Wise BI's dashboards and reports. Today, we'll walk you through some of our Wise BI dashboards. We're currently logged into the Power BI platform. However, we've built all of our dashboards in both Power BI and Tableau. At Wise BI, we collect all the data from CargoWise and present it in a single dashboard. All of our dashboards consolidate data from all companies within CargoWise, unlike the standard CargoWise reports. In CargoWise, we would have to download company-specific reports and manually merge them, but with Wise BI, all the data is already combined and readily available. We also have multiple validations in place to ensure data integrity. Since there's no manual intervention in the dashboards, we eliminate human errors and the need for multiple Excel processes. We can also store historical data as per customer requirements. For instance, if you need data from the past 10 years, we can store it in Wise BI and retrieve it with a single click at any time. In Wise BI, you can track details by company, department, or branch. You can also filter by month, quarter, and year. Our dashboards are highly customizable. We use color coding in Wise BI, and the settings can be configured based on user preferences. We provide different dashboards for various stakeholders, global dashboards for management, country-based dashboards for country heads, and branch-based dashboards for branch managers. Now, we're going to show you some of the dashboards in Power BI. The same dashboards are available in Tableau as well. Let's start with the Global Insights dashboard. This is primarily a sales dashboard. Here, we can see overall revenue and net revenue across all companies. In CargoWise, we have multiple companies, and we combine all the company data as a group to showcase it here. In CargoWise, it's not possible to aggregate data from all companies into a single report. By showing all the companies together, we also eliminate intercompany transactions so that the revenue figures are accurate. We exclude intercompany transactions based on the organization's master account group setup. Here, we can select different years and filter the data for specific periods. This shows how much revenue was earned during the selected year, what the net revenue was, and the percentage increase from the previous year. We use color coding for quick analysis. Green means the numbers are higher than both the previous year and month. Red means both are lower than the previous year and the previous month. Yellow means the numbers are higher than either the previous year or the previous month. We also display sales volume, LCL volume, business types, and the revenue earned. Here, you can see all the data at the company level. Now, let's move on to the country-level dashboard. This is similar to the global dashboard, but it's focused on individual countries. This allows country heads to select a specific country and view its revenue for the year and net revenue received. It also displays the net revenue percentage and other relevant metrics. This company's main sources of revenue are from both warehousing and transportation. Now, let's move on to the next set of dashboards, the customer analysis dashboards. We have a new customer dashboard, for example. This helps users understand how many new customers were on board in a particular year and the revenue generated from them. We can select any financial year and view how much new revenue was earned on a monthly basis. It also breaks down revenue by region, such as how much was generated by new customers in India. We can also filter by branch to see which branch has generated the most revenue from new customers. This allows us to drill down into the data further. Next, let's look at the customer LTV dashboard. This dashboard helps us identify which customers have been with us the longest and how much revenue they've generated over the years. It also helps us build strong relationships with long-term customers who contribute significant revenue. You can filter by quarter or year to see revenue trends, and you can view data in terms of revenue or net revenue. For instance, I've selected a specific financial year to see how much revenue we've earned from customers across multiple product lines. Now, let's move on to another set of dashboards. We have KPI dashboards to measure performance. These helps track overall company performance, such as how many air and ocean shipments arrived on time. The target metrics are configurable, and users can set their own thresholds. For example, if a metric is above 90%, it will appear green. If it's above 60%, it will appear yellow. If it's below that, it will appear red. We also track unbilled revenue jobs, where shipments have arrived, but the revenue hasn't been confirmed or actualized yet. We also track unbilled revenue jobs, where shipments have arrived, but the revenue hasn't been confirmed or actualized yet. Now, we'll move on to the financial dashboards. The Management Balance Sheets dashboard has 3 display options: actual numbers, millions, or thousands. You can see metrics like cash versus debt balance, total debt, tangible net worth, and all assets and liabilities. We can also configure these reports to display values in USD or other currencies, based on customer preferences. All GL account mapping is done as a one-time configuration, ensuring no manual intervention is required. Finally, we have a profit and loss (P&L) dashboard. Similar to other dashboards, you can choose the format you prefer. Here, you can track EBITDA to GP percentage, EBITDA to revenue, and other financial metrics. It also allows you to compare current year data with the previous year, and see variances from budget. That concludes our overview of some sample Wise BI dashboards. Thank you for your time. Ready for revenue increase with our BI solutions? Contact us now.